I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let
Bisschen Luft, Benjamin.
Gut. Silencing your mind, trying to be patient but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it
Na was denn?
We'll take it day by day.
Jonas, was tust?
Nur eine kurze Pause machen.
Neues Modell vom Völkes.
Materialfehler.
Schau, Thomas. So, wenn du ein Abschiedsfazit.
Okay.
Das war
War
richtig
super geil.